Good morning, boys and girls. Since Dallas is mosquito central, we get our fair share of diseases that we get from mosquitoes around here, like Zika, Dengue Fever, West Nile, and last but not least, ChickenGunnaGitcha. I know that's not entirely correct, but it sounds better, doesn't it? Anyway, there's a way to keep mosquitoes away from your property, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's inexpensive and it's sort of entertaining, so take a look. This right here is everything we need. We need 3 bottles of cheap flat beer. We need 1 blue bottle of mouthwash, the cheapest stuff you can find, and 3 cups of this here amazing product, Epsom salts. This is for measurement purposes. It all goes in here. Shake it real good and spray it all around the perimeter. So check it out. So I've been doing this now for probably about 3 years since I discovered it, and I found it works real well. So we start with the Epsom salt, so we're not trying to pour them into a wet opening, and bust them up a little bit. No stars. All right. There's 1 cup. There's 2 cups. Sometimes you just need to crush up their lumps, or just wait until they fall out and deal with it. Planning all this in advance means you break up the lumps before you get started, but I didn't do that, so you can see what it's like in your world. All right. That's close enough. I've left these uncapped for several days so they'll get good and flat. Doesn't matter what the brand is as long as it's cheap. Pour some around the edge to help get rid of the little crystals from the Epsom salt so it'll all thread in nice and tight while you're at it. There's still a little foam as a result of pouring in the beer, which means it's not completely flat. It seems to take a real long time to get beer to go flat around here. And then we fill it with the blue mouthwash. And there you go. Now, we drop this in here. Fasten it tight and just agitate it like this until it all gets mixed real good. And it's going to be a bluish looking mixture when you're done, and it will last as long as it doesn't rain or the sprinklers don't wash it away or dilute it. So whenever either one of those things happens, it's time to retreat. But it's real simple. If you pump it up, and you just spray the perimeter all around your doorways and around the edge of your property. So all around the perimeter of your house, especially doorways where the garage is, where you go in and out of the house. That will keep you from having mosquitoes all summer. Feel free to try this yourself. Let me know how it turns out, because we've had great results with this for about 3 years. Have a good day, and a mosquito-free one.